The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is coming, and it's bringing some massive upgrades you need to know. Here are the top 4 changes that will blow your mind. First up, the camera. The S26 Ultra is rumored to pack a brand new 200-megapixel Sony sensor. That means insane detail and sharper low-light photos. Even better? Samsung might ditch the dual zoom lenses and go for one powerful 200-megapixel periscope lens with 5x optical zoom. Clean, simple, super powerful. Next, the display. Samsung's introducing COE tech, giving us nearly bezel-less 6.9-inch AMOLED with up to 3,000 nits of brightness. Translation? It's brighter, smoother, and thinner than ever. And yes, it might be less than 8 millimeters thick. Battery life is getting smarter too. The S26 Ultra may use silicone carbon batteries, boosting capacity while staying light. Add to that 65-watt fast charging plus faster wireless and reverse charging. Power won't be a problem. Under the hood, you'll see Qualcomm's Elite 8-2 or the new Exynos 2600, both supercharged on 3nm tech. Pair that with One UI 8 and Galaxy AI 2.0, and you've got smarter photo editing, live translations, and next-gen multitasking built in. Samsung is clearly going all in for 2026. With this much tech packed into one phone, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could be the most advanced smartphone ever. Expect a launch in early 2026 and maybe a shakeup in the lineup too. Bye-bye Plus model? Like and subscribe for more epic tech breakdowns.